trying to make money online from online survey but don't know where to start, survey to start with, or why your account keep getting banned or disqualified? In this video, I'm going to give us a step-by-step guide on how to set up your account, which survey to start up with, and how to answer questions correctly and get paid. So ensure you stick to the end of the video because I'm also going to share with us some of the things or mistakes that can cost your survey opportunity. Before you start your survey, the first thing you need to do is to get your email address, right? So make sure you get your UK email address. So once you have gotten your email address, the next thing you want to do is turn up your Prosy. So if you don't have, for example, the Prosy I gave us was seller's Prosy, so you log into your seller Prosy. So we are going to use mine, for example. I found the account already, so if you want to fund your account or you want to purchase Prosy, you can DM me for Prosy. So this is my account balance, this is my balance here, so you can see here. So the next thing is we are going to purchase a Prosy. So you can fund your account with a minimum of $5. You can see that. So we want to purchase a Prosy. Here you can see this, say buy Prosy. So just click on the buy Prosy. Then when you click on the buy Prosy, that is if you don't have Prosy yet, so because before you start the survey you must have a Prosy, right? So click on buy Prosy, then select the location because we are doing UK survey. So once you select your location, you now tell them what you want to use that Prosy for. Now this helps them to recommend a better Prosy for you. So we are doing survey, and most time the popular survey site that we know is Swagbucks, right? You can use Swagbucks. Sometimes I use PayPal. So you can use Swagbucks. If it's not here, just type survey to come up. So you have to tell them what you want to use it for. Survey. So I think typing that, you can see that. So now it has helped us this will help them to recommend a better Prosy. Then after you have done that, how many quantity do you need? I just need one. So how many weeks? I'm buying it for monthly. So I'm going for a month. So if you go for a month, so click on here, so that maybe if you have issue with the Prosy they give you, automatically they could recommend another Prosy for you. Just click on that one and then tell them, okay, you can see here now the payment method you want to use. So we have our account balance already, so click on the payment method. So you see here balance, so you use balance, click on balance. Let's go back again, maybe some persons missed it. You can see once you click on that payment method, you go up, you now see balance, right? Click on the balance. So once you click on balance, you will now go down. Already before you fund your account, you might have selected the coupon that is use my promo code, right? Then click on submit, and then I'm done with that. I'm sure that thing we are missing out. I think we have done, we have set everything. Then you can now click on submit order and click on submit order. So here they said Prosy will be ready for use within 1 to 2 minutes of payment or confirmation of payment. Now click on submit order. Bam, our Prosy has been submitted. So we are going to wait for them to give us the Prosy details, right, so that we use. So we have submitted our Prosy details. So we are going to confirm the Prosy, confirm the payment. So our Prosy is ready. You can see that. So let's proceed to our dashboard to see what we have there. Click on order. You have one active IP, there is one active Prosy here, you can see here. So click on it. No, it's not add. Click on this space here, so that you see what you have. So here is our IP. Here's our IP and it's active, right? So So you can see here that this is our proxy, here is our IP, right? So you copy the IP, then come to this proxy, here, super proxy, right? And paste it there, add proxy, click on the add proxy. Then this one now is new UK proxy, and then the server, which is the IP, paste it there and go back. Just tap on that place, you now see the details, the informations are already here. You can see that. So you copy the login, copy the login, then go back to this site, paste it there. So click on this space that it says, this space that you have here, this drop down arrow, click on it, select username and password. Now the username, just put what you copied from that site, paste it there, go back and copy the password. Now copy the password, go back, paste the password there, then go back again. This port that you have here, the first one is for HTTPS. If you want to use HTTPS, but we are going to use SOC. We're going to use SOC proxy. So we have 50101. Jesus. Yeah. So that is it. So see, our proxy is confirmed. So you can see stick all good. So now click on save. So now click on start. Right, you are good to go. Then the next thing is we want to do analysis on the proxy to see if this proxy is good for us. So we are good to go here. Now come back to this place. Okay, come back to your Chrome. Then search for IP score. Now you have this IP score, you know, click on it. Alright, you can see here that you are in UK, right? So one thing you should understand is that if you are now doing it, the next thing is your time region should be UK, right? Your time region should be UK. If you are doing UK, if you are doing working for US, your time region should be US. As time zone should be US. So you should settle your time zone. So when you are done setting up everything, your time zone, your IP, you have confirmed that it's in UK, and make sure you check the score, IP score. Your time zone is also okay. You now check your email address. Then you can now go to the site, Surveyor, or any of the online survey platform you want to use. Viva browser is the one we'll start with for this practical, right? Then come to your Viva browser. Search for which survey should I use? So let's go. Survey, something like that. Forgetting the. Yeah, this is Survey. So this what we have. So now click on this Survey is what we want. And you need to sign in. Now. So say I've done that. So here is it. So now you don't have account, right? You want to sign up for account. Now click on sign up. Click on sign up. Put your email address. Put your email address here, right? Although by then you should have been able to. You should have gotten your email address, right? So you have to put in your email address. Once you log in your email address, that is after you have created your UK email address, then you sign up. So put in your email address, enter your password, the repeated password, and then click on get access. So once you are done with that, once you have clicked on the get access, you automatically get access to that. So what I will now need from you guys is that I will stop this video here and then make another video on the sign up, how to sign up, so that this one will not be too long. You understand? So that one now will be how to sign up, and then how to answer profile question. This one is how to sign up to. This one you have signed up, but you are not going to do survey. You are going to now sign up for profile. So the profile, your first profile question is what matters a lot. So there is another information on it too. You understand? Alright, our paid mentorship training is also open. So if you feel like or you wish to join the paid class, you can follow the link on the comment or on the description of the video to join the paid mentorship training. So there you will get access to the full training, the full class, and also one-on-one mentorship training with me and other coaches that will be available on the forum. So just feel free to follow the link and then get access to it. Once you make the payment, you will automatically be launched into the training forum or into the platform. Once again, thank you for sticking to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and also turn up the notification button.